Good morning, this is Dennis Gerard with Guaranty RV here in blustery summer day in Junction City, Oregon. Love to have you come visit us. Like to talk to you today about this coach. This is a 2020 Thor Delano. It's a 24TT. Now I don't have a decoder ring, so I can't tell you what TT means, but I can tell you what it is. It's a used coach, low mileage of about 4,000 miles, has a full wall slide, as you can see behind me, and so that means it has a dinette and a folding bed in the back with a full wall slide, really deep wardrobe with shoe storage in the back. So full body paint, tankless water heater, 5 storage bays on the exterior, so good use of exterior storage. Onan LP generator, the 3600. It has the 2020 Mercedes with the full suite of the safety features. Had an interesting experience yesterday. Had a customer come in and drive this. They own a 2019 Mercedes Class C, and their feedback was this is a quieter Mercedes than the 19, and it's also a little more firm in its handling. So a little less susceptible to wind, a little less susceptible to road noise. But good feedback from a customer who currently owns a 19. As we go inside, you'll see that it has beautiful curved laminate storage. All the doors are laminate, with curves. Gives a very nice European look. Even the bath door is curved. But again, the customer who owns the 19 was telling me what she loved about the curved bath door was how much room it added at the lavy area. So sometimes the little things we're not aware of add great value to us. As we're going through the inside, 2-burner cooktop, convection microwave, upgraded ceiling fan, and in the front overhead, very nice setup. It has a window out the front with a power shade that can be lowered to cover it to block the sun if you like. But this couple had a young son. What they were looking forward to was their son riding up there in the front and being able to see out the window. Touch control panel for all the interior lights, AC, everything can be controlled off the touch panel. But one of the things this coach has, it also has a mobile app you can put on your phone. The beauty of that is not always in just bells and whistles, but let's say you pull into a campground and you wonder about how far away that post is. Most of us have to stop, walk outside, walk back several times. This one, with your phone app fired up, you can walk outside and you can run the slide out in and out, remotely. Same on the awnings. You can run your fans. You can run everything off your phone. So it adds actually great value. So this coach, like I said, is a used coach, really low mileage. As you'll see as we do our interior and exterior video, beautiful coach. Love to have you come drive it. I think you'd be very happy with the way it handles and how quiet it is. So have a great day. Come see us, take a test drive. Dennis Gerard with Guaranty RV here in Junction City, Oregon.